In the heart of the 1800s, nestled within the sublime grandeur of the Himalayas, there exists a place untouched by the hands of time, the Gurez Valley. Picture a world where snow-capped mountains kiss the sky, their majestic peaks shrouded in the mystery of the clouds. The valley hums with the rhythm of simple, rustic life. The air is clean, pure, filled with the scent of pine and cedar. The Gurez Valley is an embodiment of nature's untouched beauty, a testament to a time when the world was less complicated, less rushed, and perhaps a little more genuine. A day in the life of a Gurez Valley resident in the 1800s was a testament to the human spirit, a testament to resilience, and a testament to the simple joys of existence. As dawn broke, the valley would awaken to the melodious calls of native birds. The people would rise, shrugging off their traditional woolen clothes, the ferens, and greet the day with a simplicity that modernity often forgets. Work in the valley was a blend of necessity and community. The men would head to the fields, tending to the crops that would feed their families through the harsh winter. The women, with skilled hands and patient hearts, would weave intricate patterns into shawls and rugs, their fingers dancing over the loom with practiced ease. As the sun journeyed across the sky, the valley would resonate with the heartbeat of life. Children would play in the fields, their laughter echoing against the mountains, while the elders would gather, sharing stories that were as old as the valley itself. Nightfall in the Gurez Valley was a symphony of silence. Without the hum of electricity, the world would quieten, leaving only the whisper of the wind and the occasional hoot of an owl. The residents would gather around the hearth, their faces illuminated by the flickering firelight, each story told adding another layer to the rich tapestry of their heritage. In summary, the Gurez Valley in the 1800s was a place of serene harmony, a world that thrived on simplicity and community. It was a testament to a time when life was lived in sync with nature, where every sunrise held promise and every sunset brought peace. Living in the Gurez Valley was not without its hardships, but the residents weathered them with resilience and grace. They found joy in their work, comfort in their traditions, and strength in their community. The Gurez Valley of the 1800s was a world where humanity and nature coexisted, a place where each day was a celebration of life's simplicity, a place where the echoes of the past still resonate in the present. A world that, despite the passage of time, continues to remind us of the beauty of simplicity and the power of community.